Hey friends, welcome back to At Home with Lady Cinnamon. I am beyond excited today, guys. I was asked to co-host an annual collaboration for Charcuterie and Crudité Boards being hosted by my fabulous, beautiful, dear sweet friend, Styling with GG FAISON. And on her channel, you will find exquisite styling, organization tips, gardening, design, decorating ideas. I mean, her channel, she does it all. She even does cooking and DIYs, guys. So please check out her channel. Just pay her a visit and show her some love and tell her that Lady Cinnamon sent you. I know you will subscribe, and I will leave the link to her channel along with the playlist for all of the participants in this wonderful collaboration in the description box below. So that picture is what my charcuterie board looked like last year when she asked me to co-host, and I'm so happy to be doing it this year. But I'm gonna switch it up. As you can see, we're kicking off football season. We're into this season and I'm excited, guys. My husband even liked this design and me setting this up. So I have added in some fresh florals, some really cute design with little footballs, and made it whimsical and fun. And I picked up this beautiful charcuterie board. Mine's were looking a little worse for the wear. It says happy fall, y'all. I couldn't be happier with it. And it's a nice size, but I'm gonna add in another little board on the side to just really give it a lot more space and make it a little bit more roomy so I can spread everything out and keep it nice and neat. So I'm loving the way it's looking right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my crudité started. I'm in love with these rainbow carrots that I pick up from Trader Joe's. They're really sweet and delicious. They're they're organic rather, and they're just so tasty, and I figured this would be great. We had a lot of fruit on the board last year, and I really just want to go with some fresh veggies and pair that with some sweet dips and really make it a little bit more fun but healthy. So guys, I've gotten everything set up. I'm just going to go ahead and do a reveal. And as you can see, the hubby jumped in and made some small pizzas up there. That's for him, of course. But I've gotten all my accompaniments ready. As you can see, I'm getting out some cute little dishes and we'll get started. And I am, like I said, so excited for this video, guys. Just happy. Anyway, so I'm gonna start with some antipasta. My hubby is Italian, so you will always see antipasta on any charcuterie or crudité board, period. And you have to add in olives and his favorite, which is the artichokes. And yeah, really gonna be adding those in, and I'm gonna sort of be putting them on both sides and then putting everything else in the middle and sort of make it where it'll be like fair for everything, you know? And then I think I'm gonna put my crudité in the middle, but we're gonna go ahead and set this up. So I picked up this pumpkin pie hummus from my local store, and I'm gonna be using that for my crudité. And guys, this is the reveal, and I'm loving the way it turned out. It's very colorful with delicious accompaniments for everything, and I'm really happy with it. So this is my antipasta. I left it where I put it originally, and my artichokes are right under there. And I'm just loving the colors and all of the presentation. And that's what you want to do. You want to basically have an assortment of meats paired with accompaniments like cheeses and sauces and dips and antipastas and whatever you choose. So for my cheeses this year, I went with this really nice Asiago. It has olive oil and rosemary, and it's so delicious. And this will be my more firmer or harder cheese. And for my creamier or softer cheese, I went with this really delicious herbaceous cheese. It's called Green Goddess, also from Trader Joe's. It is amazing. As my mother-in-law would say, it has an abundanza of flavor. So good, guys. For my crudité, I have it arranged where I have the sweet carrots They're so pretty with all of that coloring on them. And then I added in a palette cleanser with those cucumbers, and then I added in some radishes for a nice peppery snap, so I have an assortment of flavors. And I also have my pumpkin hummus that pairs so perfectly with those carrots. Oh, it's so good, guys. So on the side of my other board with my olives with herbs and fresh lemon squeeze, and it's delicious with that oil. And then of course I have my meats on this side, but you always want to bring in some breads or crackers or something for some crunch. So I added in some crackers and also some artisan cheese sticks, and just perfect for just grabbing those, and it's perfect for this layout. For my meats, I just added in just a little bit, not overdoing it. I have some salami, and I also have some mortadella, which has a little bit of pistachios in it, and it's so good. Then I also added in some fresh grain mustard. I forgot the cornichons, but that's okay. And then I added in a nice crunchy accompaniment with these nuts. Everyone doesn't like raisins. My husband doesn't like raisins. I don't like grapes. So those are perfect with the cranberries, more pistachios, and some pecans. And it's just a really nice crunchy combination. For sweets, I went with just getting something from the store to make it quick and easy. After all, you want to spend time watching the game. And these are perfect. They're just some arugula with a little cinnamon and a little raspberry, and I absolutely love the way this turned out. And last but not least, you just want to add in some appetizer plates, maybe some toothpicks, and something to serve with, and you're done. And I absolutely love the way this turned out. So guys, I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to visit Styling with GG FAISON. Her channel is amazing. I will leave her link in the description bar below, along with the playlist, so you can check that out for all of the other participants. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the bell twice if you'll be subscribing, so you'll know whenever I upload a new video. I just want to say I appreciate you guys so much. I love you, and I hope to see you in the next video, and thank you all for watching.